Let's construct knowledge rather than reproducing it. We are dealing with 21st century learners and we want to make them competent. We want to make them lifelong learners and we want learning to be in a joyful manner. In this pandemic situation, when the virtual classroom has taken over the real life classroom situation, we want the virtual classrooms to be as effective, as activity oriented like the real life classroom situations. In our science classroom, we have experimentation, demonstration, drawings, we have other hands-on activity. Here I have made a little bit of difference where they would be doing the same thing but they will be enjoying. So the use of foldables. Foldables are nothing but three-dimensional graphic organizers which represent the knowledge in a very tangible, structured and organized manners. These foldables come in various shapes. Here, like suppose this is a foldable which is just like the shape of an accordion and it's just made up of a construction or chart paper or a colored paper. So it's also highly cost effective. Some other shape of the foldables that we can give are like this, which is having 4 different folds, or this foldable which is having 3 different folds. So according to the concept the learners can use. As we know, origami, paper folding, which plays a very important role in mathematics class. So these paper foldings or foldables we can have in our science class which the learners will really enjoy. And really I have used this in my virtual classrooms and these have been very effective. I have made this butterfly foldable where the normal life cycle of a butterfly has been represented. Normally we draw and we ask the children to draw them in the white page of the science copy. But here I have made this foldable using only paper where the life cycles are represented and also the learners can showcase their creativity. So here the psychomotor skill is enhanced, the learning is done, science, life cycles they learn, and also most important thing that CBSE has been stressing now is the integration of art. So here art is also integrated. So we are fulfilling the purpose of art integration, our psychomotor skills, and also in a classroom we have multiple intelligence. We have learners of different intelligence. This also caters to the need of our various learners like kinesthetic, our visual learners, our picture smart learners, and they really enjoy it. Another foldable so in this butterfly foldable, all the life cycles, the stages of the life cycle can be represented in a sequential manner. So this accordion foldable is quite effective in this. In case of this cartoon foldable, they are doing cartoons, they are enjoying because we know children live in cartoons, and also all the organelles can be represented one by one. Let's make our classrooms versatile because change is always accepted and change always brings something different. So thank you. This was brought to you by Rashmi Samantrai from DAV Public School, Pokhariputt. Stay safe and stay healthy.